Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Sagar Ashrukant Wakamare, branch Mechanical Engineering, Division C, roll number 54, subject Applied Science, Chemistry, subject code 22202. Topic name: prepare a chart showing different topics of refractory materials with example. Group members name: Avinash Palke, Gulam Sheikh, Shubham Senge, Raju More, Sagar Wagmare. Refractories: any materials which can withstand high temperature. Importance in construction of metallurgy, engineering, chemical industries. Introduction: refractory is a material which can withstand high temperature without softening or suffering a deformation in shape. Main objective: to confine heat, for example, to resist loss on air, to resist obscuring and corrosion action of molten material, gases and gases at high temperature without undergoing softening or deterioration in shape. Uses: construction of furnace, tank, converters, kilns, crucible, ladles, etc. 2. Manufacture of metals: ferrous or non-ferrous, cement, glass, ceramic, paper, steel, etc. Characteristics of refractories: a good refractory possesses following characteristics. 1. Be infusible at the temperature to which it is eligible to bear exposure. Chemically insult toward corrosive action of flue gases, metallic liquids, and slags. Resist the obscuring action of flue gases, flames, etc. Be able to withstand the overwhelming load of structure at the operating temperature. No crack, no less in size, expand and contract uniformly with temperature rise and fall respectively. Classification of refractories. 1. Excellent refractories. Important members of this group is aluminum, silica, gel, ferrosilicious refractories. Basic refractories: CO and MgO. Natural refractories made from weakly acid basic materials like bromide, FeO, and CrO2. 0.002. Important members of this group are graphite, chromite, zirconia, and carbon SiC refractories. Properties of refractories: ability of a material to withstand the heat without appreciable deformation or softening under particular service conditions. In general measured as the softening or melting temperature of the material. As most of the common refractory materials are mixture of metallic oxide, so they do not have a sharp fissure temperature. Ferrometric cones test. The softening temperature of the refractory materials are generally determined by using ferrometric cones test, expressed in terms of ferrometric cone equivalent softening temperature. Materials to be used as refractory. Operating temperature. Manufacturing of refractories. First, crushing. Raw materials in the form of big lumps are crushed to about 25 mm size. Second, grinding. The crushed materials are grinded in grinding machine down to 200 mesh size. Third, screening. Purify the refractory raw materials and remove unwanted materials from the raw materials, and this is done by A. Setting, B. Magnetic suppression, C. Chemical method. 4. Storage. After screening and manuring dressing, poor materials is stored in storage bin with bucket kilowatts. 5. Mixing. It is done so that proper dispersion of the plastic materials through the mass taken place. This makes molding easier. 6. Molding. Molding may be done either manually or mechanically by the application of high pressure. Hand welding produces refractories of low density and low strength. Mechanical molding produces refractories of high density and strength. Manufacture of refractories consists of following steps in order to increase the design and strength of refractory by mechanical molding. The bearing of refractory materials is essential. Deairing is done by first applying vacuum thrust when in the bowl. Second, by allowing air inside the void space in the refractory to go out by discretion the rate of pressure application and release of air.